I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon was combing his auburn hair. I went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The peek-a-boo by the light of the moon